Hey guys, this is Echo with YOGATX, and I'm here for another Monday morning flow with you guys. Me and Monty are gonna lead you guys through some energizing practices this morning, and this is just a quick little 12 to 15 minute sequence to really fully energize the entire body. We'll run through some sun salutations, and really this practice is about purification through breath and through body connection. And so be kind to yourself, breathe, be present, move at your own pace, and enjoy. Let's start on the yoga mat, standing at the front of the mat. All right, so let us start at the top of the yoga mat. Monty is here with me. And let's ground down through the feet, feel nice and rooted here in the earth. I've got some beautiful redwood trees here to give me a bit of earthing. It's quite beautiful. Hands alongside the body, shoulders relaxed. Shut the eyes down. Take a deep inhale. And exhale, sigh it out. Open the eyes, inhale, reach up. And exhale, bring hands to heart center. Again, inhale, reach up. And exhale, hands to heart. So we're just working on expansion, nice and slow. Inhale, reach up, take the entire breath to come up. Exhale, entire breath to come down to that Anjali Mudra, palms together. Last one, inhale, reach. Take a hold of the left wrist, step the left foot behind the right, and peel the hands over towards the right side. So get a nice lateral stretch to the left side of the body. And come back through center. Take a hold of the right wrist, bring the right foot behind the left, pull over to the left. Get nice extension through the right side of the body. Waking up for a big week. Maybe you're doing this not on a Monday, a big weekend. Come back up and exhale, hands to heart. Beautiful. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, bow all the way down. Slight bend in the knees, lead with the chest, let the head drop down. Take an inhale, peel the chest up halfway, bend the left knee, and keep the left hand on the earth, right arm reaching up. So you might even want to bring a block or a pillow to that left hand to bring the ground closer to you. And let's look up towards the right hand. I've got beautiful branches above me, so look up at your ceiling or the sky. Take an inhale. Exhale, sweep the right arm underneath the left arm. Bring the hands together, slight bend in the knees, press all the way up to standing, slight back bend, eagle arms. Take an inhale. And exhale, fold all the way down. Inhale, come up halfway. And exhale, fold. Bend the right knee this time, right hand to the earth, left arm stretching up and open. We'll look up towards the left hand now. Take an inhale. And exhale, left arm underneath the right, palms together. Press into the feet, lift all the way up. Open the chest, slight back bend or deep back bend. And bow all the way down, unbind the hands. Take an inhale, come up halfway. And exhale, plant the hands, step back to a plank position. So straight line of energy here, slight rounding of the upper back. Take an inhale. And on the exhale, come down halfway. Keep the elbows in by the ribs, thighs off the mat. Inhale forward to the tops of the feet, lift the chest. Call this upward facing dog. So nice stretch across the belly and the heart space. Take an inhale. And exhale, use the core, draw the hips back, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Take an inhale, lift the right leg up behind you. Exhale, knee to nose, pause. And set the right foot down, left knee to the earth, reach up. Anjaneyasana, low lunge. Exhale, hands to heart, twist to the right. Left elbow outside the right knee. Nice open chest. Look towards the right shoulder. Look down at the right toes, lift the left knee into that twist, stay here. You can open the arms up nice and wide, right arm up, left arm reaching down. Take an inhale. And exhale, hands to the earth. Step back, move through your vinyasa. Come down halfway, chaturanga. Inhale to the tops of the feet, open the heart space. And exhale back, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left foot. Exhale, knee to nose, curl in. Set the left foot down, right knee to the earth. Inhale, reach up. Pause here. Inhale. Exhale, hands to heart, twist to the left, right elbow outside the left knee. Open your chest to the left. I hope that your view is as beautiful as mine. Cannot complain about being amongst the redwoods. Right arm reaching down, left arm reaching up. Nice twist in the belly. Take an inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center again. Lift the right knee, stay deep in that twist. Maybe you widen the arms again. Take an inhale. And exhale, hands to the earth. Step back to plank, lower halfway, elbows in by the ribs. Inhale, forward, upward facing dog. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, downward facing dog. Step the right foot forward. Keep the left knee lifted and reach all the way up with the arms. Take an inhale. Exhale, bend the elbows, open the heart. Inhale, bring the arms forward like you're swimming through space. Exhale, bend the elbows, open the chest. Inhale, sweep forward, chest is parallel with the mat. Exhale, bring the chest back up, open the elbows, open the heart. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Pause here, lift the arms again. And so as we do that, we bring that dynamic movement with the breath in the body, as well as strengthening the right leg while we get that back bend and open the heart. So many things happening in the body right now. Take an inhale. Exhale, hands to the earth. Step the left foot just a little bit forward, left heel down, right leg goes straight. Pull the right hip back in space. Come onto the fingertips and fold towards the right shin. If this is tough, have some blocks or some pillows off to the side for your hands to bring the floor closer to you. Fold in. So you'll feel that elongation in the right leg. Take an inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to a plank position. Lower to chaturanga, elbows in by the ribs. Inhale, forward to the tops of the feet, lift the thighs, heart is open. Exhale, use the core, draw the hips back and up, downward facing dog. Very good. So getting a little strong today. Inhale, lift the left leg. Exhale, step it through. Reach up, high lunge. Pause here, sink deep into that left knee. So even deeper than you think that you can go. Take an inhale. Exhale, bend the elbows, open the heart. Inhale, swim forward, chest goes parallel. Exhale, bend the elbows, back bend. Inhale, sweep. Exhale, bend. Inhale, sweep. Exhale, bend. Inhale, sweep. And exhale, bend. This time, inhale, reach up, stay here. Sink into that left knee and feel that left thigh kind of quiver here. It's nice and strong. Stay with it. Take an inhale. And exhale, hands to the earth. Step the right foot in a bit, right heel down. Left leg goes straight. Pull the left hip back in space and fold in over the left shin. So lots going on here. Check in. Are the hips square? Get them as square as you can. Do you need to bring the floor closer with props? Or can you fold all the way into the left shin? Take an inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to a plank position. Lower halfway. Inhale forward to the tops of the feet, open the heart. And exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful. 2 breaths here. You can sigh it out on the exhale if you'd like. Let's walk the feet halfway up the mat. So a little bit of a balancing pose before we come to the end of our practice. Inhale, come up halfway, hands to shins. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to standing, reach up. And exhale, hands to heart. Hands alongside the body, Tadasana. Settling in, relax the shoulders. You can do a little dance here, move in the body. Some little undulations and some dance. And come into stillness. One breath in, exhale out, sigh. Open the eyes, and I invite you to come into tree pose or Vrikshasana. So we're going to bend the right knee and open the right knee up. Bring the right foot to the inside of the left ankle or to the inside of the left thigh. So we're going to be beautiful like these giant redwood trees behind me. Take an inhale, grow your branches up nice and tall. Open the chest. Beautiful. So no matter where you are, envision that you are this mighty redwood tree. Relax the shoulders. You can dance with your hands if you'd like. I like to be a little silly. And find a dristi or focal point forward. And you can come into stillness. And I invite you to get a little tricky here as you really ground down through that left foot, nice open heart space. Maybe play with shutting the eyes down for just a moment. See if you lose your balance or become a wavering tree. And if you fall, you just come back in. It's okay to lose our balance, like I did, from time to time. And we just try again. All right, let's open the eyes. Pull the right knee in through center and set the right foot down. Hands alongside the body. Let's do the left side. So bend the left knee. Bring it out to the side. Left foot to the inside of the right ankle, depending on if it's tough for you to get it up in that right thigh, or assist it up to make that pressure exchange with the right thigh. Inhale, reach the arms up, grow your branches. Be your dancing tree if you'd like. Find your dristi or focal point. Ground down through the right foot, and if you're feeling it, maybe shut the eyes down for a moment. All right, hands to heart center as you bring the left knee in and set it down. Take an inhale, reach up. And an exhale, bow all the way down to the earth. Take an inhale, come up halfway. And exhale, bend the knees, come onto the tiptoes and sink the hips down to a seat. Let's have a mindful seat before concluding our practice today. Easy seat, ankles in front of each other here, hands resting on the knees. Take an inhale. On the exhale, just allow the chin to fall to the chest. Feel the back of the neck grow long. Just pause here. So kind of a space of reverence and humility. Just allow ourselves to really settle in. And slowly lift the chest, hands to heart center. And we say namaste. Thank you so much, yogis, for practicing with me. And I feel so grateful to be in such a beautiful space to practice yoga. And just remember that no matter where you're at, that where you truly are is in here and in here. So even if you don't have these lovely redwood trees behind you, they're with you if you want them to be. And feel free to come practice with me again every Monday here, Monday mornings with Echo. And you can find me at www.echoflowyoga.com or on Instagram at echo_around the world for adventures. And also I have a YouTube channel, so just look up Echo, and my last name is Widmer, Echo Giselle Widmer. So I hope to see you somewhere in the world or on the yoga mat, but be kind to your bodies, be kind to yourselves, and breathe, live, and may you have peace.